So here we are now that things are all completed, but it's reverse order. This is the right front headlight of a 2009 Veracruz. And to change, I was wanting to change this front side marker, which is really difficult to get at, if not impossible, from the inside, so I had to take the whole unit out. So I just needed to loosen this bolt here, this bolt here. I did end up loosening these two to give some more wiggle room right here when putting the unit in and out. Also from the inside, there's a bolt here, which is right beside the power connector, which will need to be disconnected so you can take the unit in and out. And that's about it. There's basically 3 bolts and a power connection to disconnect, and then the whole unit will wiggle out. That's about it.